too. But you're blocking my view. I know you got issues, but I got my shit too. I don't wanna be your therapy no more, no more. You don't wanna hear this, but it's you, it's not me. Ooh, gotta go and grab a spoon now. Ooh, make a life for myself. Ooh, I don't know what I'ma do now. Ooh, but I don't need your help. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. Don't make me stay, to stay. I'm done being stuck. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. The last thing I will ever do.
Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. First off, Dominic is in here with me while I'm doing these voiceovers, so you're gonna hear him. He's playing and he's rowdy this morning. Okay, now to the video. Again, welcome back. If you're new, I'm a mama to 5 boys. 4 are still at home. I've recently became a new grandmother, and I'm very ecstatic about that. And I live in Kentucky with my family. We live in a fixer-upper 3-bedroom brick home way out in the country, and I love it. And I've got motherhood, cleaning motivation, DIYs, cooking, just a little bit of everything on this channel. So if that's what you're looking for, you found it. Click subscribe, hit the like, leave a comment, and just keep coming back. So on this day, we're starting out in the kitchen. I'm wanting to reset my kitchen completely for the coming week. So on the next day, this is a 2-day video. I take the whole weekend to film this, and on day 2, I have got to go grocery shopping, and so that's also going to be a part of this. But I'm wanting to do a complete reset because this kitchen is just in one more of a shape. It's disorganized, it's a mess, laundry is everywhere as well. So that's what we are going to be doing in this video, is getting this kitchen reset for the coming week so that everything is not chaotic when Monday morning rolls around. Also, I want to get the refrigerator cleaned out. That way I can pull out anything that's old, which there should not be very much in there, get everything wiped down, cleaned out, sanitized, and my fresh groceries put up. So let's get to it. So I'm spraying my sink down with the liquid that's in this amber bottle. And if you all did not see my last video and don't know what's in the amber bottle, that is a DIY sanitizing cleaner solution that I made up right here at home with alcohol, water, and 100% essential oils. And it's absolutely wonderful. I put Dominic is tossing a ball around. I put 6 ounces of alcohol, 4 ounces of water, and then somewhere between 30 and 50 drops of 2 different kinds of essential oils. I use chamomile and lavender, and it smells so great, you guys, and it does exactly what I want it to. And I keep it right here on the sink because that was the whole purpose for purchasing this bottle, and I did get it from Grow Collaborative, like I said, in case you missed the last video or you're new here. So I am starting out on this day with getting my pots and pans cleaned. My husband and my older children have been kind of taking turns and going back and forth cleaning the dishes of plates and cups and silverware. My pots and pans I would prefer to clean myself, just because I feel like they're not good and clean unless I clean them. I don't know. It's just a thing of mine. I guess I'm weird. I'm not sure. Do you all have something like that, like a little quirky thing where you just don't feel that it's done correctly if you don't do it yourself? Let me know in the comments on that one.
We could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. 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 Yeah, you think you got the best of me.
So I decided to take the new rug that I just got like a month ago for under the kitchen table. I decided to take it up and wash it on a very, very light cycle and tumble dry it low and place it back down. The dogs love laying on my rug. You guys will see that later on in the video. And if you're new here, I've got a brother, sister. They're still pups. They're almost a year old, but they are Blue Nose Pit and Siberian Husky mix. And one is a short hair, like a pit bull, and the other one is more of the husky. The female's the one that's more like the pit bull. The male's the more like the husky. Their names are Noel and Archie, and they shed really bad. So right here, I'm bringing the rug back out of the laundry room, and I'm going to vacuum it to kind of get it to lay a little flatter, and just to go ahead and pull some more of that lint off. It did come off in the tumble dry setting in the dryer. And then my husband comes in and helps me place the kitchen table back on top of the rug. So, and that's really most of all that we get finished on this day. And then we're going to move on to day 2. Excuse me. My allergies have been just going crazy. The pollen is so high where I'm at, and it's just, my allergies have been nuts. But anyway, I wanted to ask, how are you guys? Let me know down in the comment. Tell me how you've been. Things have been going great. Do you want to brag about something, or do you need prayer about something, or do you need encouragement about something, or would you like to rant about something? I'm all ears, and most of everybody here in this community is great and would love to listen as well. So if you're new, or even if you're not, please feel free to leave a comment. Doesn't matter what it's about. If you have an issue, or you want encouragement, or you need a prayer, whatever it may be, leave it in the comments. That's what this community is all about. You are a great person, no matter who you are, what you do, where you're at, what stage or season of life you're at. At the season that I'm at right now, I'm comfortable for the most part, and I'm happy. That's all really that I can ask for. Let me know about you guys. You know, are you all happy in the season or stage of life? Are you all going through a change in your life? If you would like to share that, but always remember that no matter what you're doing, you are great. You are awesome. And don't never forget that. Now, let's get on back to some cleaning, and I'll quit preaching for a minute or so.
Keep getting under your thick skin, trying on not building a nest in your weaknesses. Swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it stop. Oh, I just need to tell you that. Oh, don't let them get in your head, in your head. So please don't let them get in your head, in your head. Fight another day, I know it's worth it. We're gold inside the rust, oh, I know you feel it. Keep getting under your thick skin, trying on not building a nest in your weaknesses. Swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it stop. Oh, I just need to tell you that. Oh, don't let them get in your head, in your head. So please don't let them get in your head, in your
Okay, so here we are on the next day. And like I was saying earlier in the video, I had to go to the grocery store on this day, and I went early of a morning. And before I got my groceries put away, I wanted to give the refrigerator and the freezer a really good cleaning. The doors I have not got to yet. We're actually going to do the doors in another video because I am wanting to put labels on the doors with my Cricut, kind of like the way that I did with my crisper drawers. So I'm going to get the freezer cleaned out really good and get the meat and freezer items placed back in here. And the way that I place everything, I kind of think of it as like filing. So I'm going to file my food, you guys. And then we're going to move on to the top of the refrigerator and get it cleaned out and get everything put in there as well.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love, I feel the love. I hope it never goes away. I feel the love.
really surprised that there wasn't more that needed to be tossed, just because I don't know where it's been so chaotic and hectic around here for the last 2 or 3 weeks. So yeah, I'm really surprised that I didn't have a lot more to throw away. I'm very happy that I didn't because I'm not one for waste, but very surprised.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gon' leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right.
Now that the refrigerator is finally cleaned out, all except for the doors to the top part, I'm going to now get the coffee pod organizer loaded up with some coffee pods in the drawers, and I'm going to also get some of my containers refilled for like the snacks and donuts and the boys' snack basket.
Epiphany rising, got it all wrong. You see bright as lightning. Already memories. Now I just don't really care what you feel, what you feel, what you feel. Shame on me thinking it was just a phase. just don't really care what you think,
Now moving on to some laundry. I've got about 3 loads here that needs to be folded and put away, and then that'll do it for the laundry. So if you've got a couple of baskets or just a basket of laundry that you've been putting off and need to get folded and put away, then go grab it and let's get it done together.
worst behavior, throwing a party in my head. Yeah, prayers from my savior. Just let it rain all over me, over me, over me, over me, over me.
So if you're new here, here's my pups. This is Archie, and then the one under the bench is Noelle. And if you're not new here, you've been asking me, some of you have, about where the pups are at. And usually when I'm filming, they are not in here. They've been spending their days outside, but we are experiencing a heat wave for the last couple of days here in Kentucky. So it's been extremely hot out. So they've been staying in.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown. What can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be like, I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I sucked with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I drown, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than to let this feeling slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I try, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than to let this feeling slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
You're pulling me closer, but don't waste your time. Don't have any time for all your empty lies. I used to think that you were only mine, but I was blinded by a shallow light. I'll call your friends, I'll let them know that I'm so done with the tragic boys. Tonight I'll get into my zone. I'll dance until the tears are gone. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these tears away. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these fears away. Don't need you. All the things I used to sacrifice just to please you, just to call you mine. But look at me now, I have the time of my life. I'll call your friends, I'll let them know that I'm so done with the tragic boys. Tonight I'll get into my zone. I'll dance until the tears are gone. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these tears away. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these fears away. Don't need you. Don't need you. Don't need you. Dancing all these tears away. 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 Dancing all these tears away.
Okay, so we're coming to the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you got like loads of motivation to get your kitchen reset or your laundry done up. Before we go, I wanted to show you guys the shirts that I'm putting together for my husband's company. They are his work shirts, and I will be getting an order for these, but this is basically what they're going to look like. And I did these with my Cricut. I'm very proud of myself. My husband loves them, and so does his boss, so I'm just waiting on that to come through. But yeah, so I think that's got it till next time. Love y'all. Stay safe.
I'm not gonna play hard to get through. I'm not gonna